Hey guys, it's snowing outside and it is the craziest snowstorm I've seen in years. I'm not that old, but it's been literally like 5 years, even more, since I can remember like a storm this fucking strong. And it is just so nice right now. And honestly, I'm kind of just sad. And not because of that, but like, I don't know, life's not really going the way that I want right now. On the positive side, today is Friday, and on Monday, I have my final exam from my driving school to get my driver's license. And oh boy, am I looking forward to that because with this snow, there's a such high chance that the traffic is gonna be absolutely fucked, and I'm gonna be stuck in traffic. And they pretty much have a time limit on how what do you call it, like how long they can test each individual student, because obviously the other ones also have to get their turns. And with this traffic, that's gonna be hopefully probably 1 to 3 on Monday. The city always struggles with big snowstorms, so I'm probably just gonna be stuck in traffic pretty much, and I'm looking forward to that because my previous driving school test was absolutely horrid. I had an awful experience with a really bad police officer, and it'd been nice to just get my driver's license and finally end this sort of a episode. Like, uh, bruh, bruh, never mind. And bruh, please. All right. Um, yeah, and I'm kind of sad because all right. Actually, I'm probably going to talk more today. I was supposed to make a video today. I didn't start once again. I'm really pissed at myself. Uh, I mean, I did. It did feel like I discovered something today uh, on how to make videos. And one of those things was that I absolutely have to get more social contact. And, the golden goose analogy, the golden goose gotta be healthy to be able to produce golden eggs. So, bro, and I'm not really in this state. I'm not really in the right place right now. I've been so, I've been seeking instant gratification. Jesus, I'm so bad at this. I've been seeking instant gratification. Like, I gotta stop watching YouTube and I gotta replace it with social contact and stuff. But that's hard when you don't go to school, when you don't go to work on day-to-day basis. And I don't really want to talk to my family like day to day. That I just dislike that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like my family and everything, but like day-to-day basis, and that being my only social contact is kind of fucked. And honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna fix myself, really. That was pretty cool. Bruh. Awesome. I have a 12-inch long penis. Anyway, I was thinking about making a sort of an alter ego channel. I mean, what I kind of realized today is that the video part is not the problematic part. The problematic part is the doing in the video. And because I can make easily a good video if I'm interested in the thing that the video is about and the activity that I'm doing in that video. And I just sort of have to come to my senses before recording. Like I have to really acknowledge that this is what I'm making right now. This is the video I want to create. This is the sort of way that I'm taking it, like the direction I want to take the video in, and just come to peace with everything before the video. I know it may sound really weird, but if I started making a video with nothing in mind, the video is gonna be dog shit, and that's like also almost an absolute for me, because I just have it confirmed with experience, I guess. I fart. Yeah. I was also thinking about buying a RGB light, and kind of like not sure, because I really want to buy it. It costs like 30, almost 40 euros, basically, like 40 bucks. And there is supposed to be like a Black Friday kind of deal. I mean, not really a Black Friday, but basically an advent calendar. I'm not sure if that's a term in English, but it should be. Oi. Bruh. Alright, and basically it's every day a different kind of sale. So I'm not sure if I should wait or if I should just buy it, because I may save a couple of bucks. I may not. What the fuck is that guy saying? What the fuck? And I'm not sure if the waiting is worth saving a couple bucks, you know. But at the same time, I'm gonna be pretty pissed if I'm, bruh. All right, I actually don't want to play these sweats. Ooh, I can bridge. Hold up, I really want to bridge. Oh, quest, no, practice. God damn, is that far away? 30 blocks. There's no way I'm getting that. That was pretty good. Not good enough, apparently. Easy. 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 How do I change the difficulty? Easy. Bro. Easy. Bruh. Bruh, easy. Easy. I'm not getting there. Hold up. Bruh. Easy work. This is too easy. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I should buy the damn light or if I should wait for sale. I'm not sure even if a light would make that much of a difference. Ooh. No, I was too far away. Please. Mhm. Wait, actually. Oh no. I don't want to do that. No. Mhm. Alright, there is no way I'm getting that. Yeah, some. Alright. Not sure. Maybe I could flip a coin to just decide if I should buy right now. Because I'm pretty hyped to do videos. And a light would actually be like a decent help. Because it just would be. Like right now it's. The light situation is fucked because the sun sets at like 4 p.m., which is absolutely disgusting, but I'm at home either way, so it's like I never even noticed the goddamn sun, even though there's been a snowstorm the entire freaking day. Alright, I'm gonna ask Google if I should buy it. I'm gonna ask it to flip a coin. If it's heads, I'm going to buy it right now in this video. If it's tails, I'm gonna wait until the sale. Even though, like, even if I saved like fucking, I don't know, 20 bucks, let's say, which is realistically not gonna happen because that would be too good of a deal. 40 bucks, 20 bucks, like, at that price I'd even buy fucking two, you know? Like, realistically, I'm saying that that's not gonna happen. So, I'm gonna buy it if Google says heads. Hey Google. Flip a coin.
It's tails.
Google saying that I should not buy it. Fuck me. Destiny is a funny thing. Should I buy it? It's gonna save me. I mean, time is. Yeah, I think I actually value time more than a couple of saved bucks. Yeah. That's crazy, actually. Because I have like literally a couple of months. Bruh. I have a couple of months to make money on YouTube to not have to get a job, pretty much, so. Yeah, damn, that's actually. I should definitely buy it. Holy shit, what the fuck am I thinking about? Yeah, I'm going to buy it right now, holy shit. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. See ya, guys.